What's up, world? I'm Nazim Saliji and welcome back to the channel once again. Thank you very much for tuning in today, you guys. I got more pickups to show you and I'm saving the best for last, you guys. It's possibly the best Jordan 3 of the year, so saving that for last. But I'm going to start off with some Jordan 1s and some SBs that I picked up recently. And actually the SBs are my brother-in-law's, but yeah, I walked into Jimmy Jazz a few days ago and they got a late shipment of these bad boys right here, you guys. Got a grade school pair of the Hyper Royals. Already have my personal pair on the shelf right there. So really happy that I got these Hyper Royals for retail. Probably going to be sitting in the collection. Maybe I'll trade them, maybe I'll sell them. We'll see. It's good trade bait. But another pair right here that actually came out today, you guys. And it's the Jordan 1 Shadow. I was able to pick up these at Jimmy Jazz. They got them in kind of late. But there's your black bottoms, your white midsole. The gray is suede. And the plasticky leather here. It's not the best leather, but it's still a very clean shoe. Very wearable shoe. You got the extra laces right here, the gray laces, Wings logo right there, and yeah, just very solid Jordan 1, you guys. Very solid. I actually got a size 10 and a size 9. Threw the size 9 to my brother and keeping the size 10 in the collection. So let's move on. And yesterday, you guys, I was able to be. I was really lucky, and I was able to hit on the late raffle that Finish Line held for the Hyper Royals. So I was able to get another size 9.5 right here. And I have kind of an unfortunate story about that because they sold me these 9.5s with my name on them with the raffle with no extra laces. Like literally, look at, here's the plastic piece right here for the extra laces. And they just got ripped off. Somebody ripped my laces off, like, I don't know. So I was pretty disappointed that it didn't come with extra laces, you guys. But leave a comment down below and let me know if this has happened to you. If if you've gotten a shoe and the extra laces were missing. So kind of disappointing, but I was still happy to get them because today I walked in. It was first come first serve after the raffle, and yes, you guys, yes, I got another Hyper Royal for retail. You guys. So I got right here these that I've actually worn already. Look at the dirt. These are dirty right here, you guys. I wore these for a holiday the other day. It was a religious holiday for me, so I put those on. And then I was able to get the 9.5 for retail because I hit the raffle. And then got these first come first serve today. So these ones did come with the extra laces. Unfortunately, the 9.5s didn't. So yeah, I got a few pairs of Hyper Royals, you guys. Really excited to have a few pairs of those. And then today I came across some mids. Nothing crazy, but I got some crimson mids right here, like a 4.5 grade school. They're not going for crazy resale prices or anything, but it's a solid mid, you guys. I really like the peach, pinkish color on these. So there's a mid right there for you guys. And then let's see what I want to show you next. I'll probably show you what's in this. Nike box because I already opened it to show my brother. But it's a shoe that's kind of still sitting on the wall at Finish Line and some other stores. Not a very crazy sought after shoe, but a shoe that I hit on Sneakers app, and that is the Jordan 7 Flints, you guys. You got some Jordan branding right there. You got the 23 on the back, and suede toe box and some suede paneling on the side. Jumpman on the side as well, and the tumbled leather is actually pretty decent on these. So there's your bottoms right there as well with the Jumpman. But I think 7s are really slept on. This is Jordan's second. He won his second title in these shoes. So these things should be more respected than what they are because MJ won 6 titles and he wore this shoe for a second title run. So yeah, these are really not this exact colorway, but the silhouette, overall I think is just slept on. So there's this pair of 7s. These SBs, you guys, my brother-in-law hit on these. He got exclusive access when they recently did that huge dunk release, like the Dunk Reserve. And these are the Carpet Company dunks. These things are pretty sick, you guys. You know, there's underneath this blue paneling is actually yellow. Like if you were to rip a carpet up and there's the yellow underneath, that's what these would look like underneath. And then you got some Arabic writing on the insole, or I'm not on the insole, but on the inside here. I don't know if you can see it. And I forget what that actually means, but you can also rip this back part off, and there's like I think Arabic. It says Nike in Arabic there. On the bottom it says right here carpet. And then I think on the other one, let me pull out the other one real quick, you guys. Oh, this one says carpet as well, but you got all your extra laces in this one, yellow, and then you got kind of cream laces and blue laces. But super sick Carpet Company dunks, you guys. I really like these. You got really nice piece of suede right here on the bottom, but yeah, overall really nice dunks, you guys. Very nice colors too. And then yeah, saving the best for last like I usually do, and I think this might be the best Jordan 3 of the year so far anyways, because we still have like what, half a year to go. But this Jordan 3, you guys, I paid resale for. I was not able to hit for retail, and I should have waited because I kind of impulse bought these and the prices went down. So and if I'm not mistaken, I think Sneakers is still gonna drop these on the app. This was only so far the release was only on the website for this company, but this is my first time seeing these shoe with you guys on camera. I saved the unboxing for a live reaction, but check out the box, you guys. This thing is pretty sick. There's the Jumpman right there, and then it's a slide out right here. Wow, you guys probably already know what it is, but there's the A all over the slide out box. Very sick. Here's your box right here. There's your box right here. Let's put it over here. Maybe this will be my thumbnail. Your Jumpman Flight right there. And then I got this. It's a women's size 10.5, men's size 9. I can fit a 9 in a Jordan 3, but these are the A Ma Maniere, you guys, Jordan 3s. I had to cop these, man. These are so sick. You got the hang tag right there, Nike Air. You got very nice leather on these, tumbled leather. You got suede on the toe box right here. You got suede on the eyelets right here. Look at the inside, you guys. This inside looks like a quilted, you know, pattern. Very sick inside, you guys. Look at that. And then you got the aged Nike Air heel tab on the back, Jumpman on the inside there on the insole. And you know, you got your gray bottoms right there with like a little kind of a burgundy right there, and then you got burgundy right here as well. But yeah, aged midsole, aged back tab, and then you got the A Ma Maniere logo right here on the tongue on this one. And let's pull out the other one real quick. I bought these off of GOAT, so there's my GOAT sticker right there. But let's see here. Yep, this one's got the extra laces with this pair right here, this shoe, the right shoe, Jumpman on this one, and then the A Ma Maniere logo on the other one. But yeah, these are super sick, and I don't have many threes in the collection, guys. I have the black cements, and I have the red cements sitting in here somewhere. Oh, right here. The red cements right here, and these are actually the Nike Shy red cements. And yeah, I didn't have many threes, you guys, and I thought this was really sick 3. Another 3 that I really want are obviously the white cement 3s, and then I'm also missing the white cement 4s, the bread 4s. There's still some shoes that I'm missing in the collection, but sick 3, you guys. Really happy to have this in the collection. Just really nice quality. This is like a 10 out of 10 shoe for me, and possibly the Jordan 3 of the year so far. I mean, maybe all year. But yeah, you guys, resale isn't really crazy on these right now. I know 500 is still a lot for shoes, but considering, you know, all the, you know, really hype shoes, you know, this is hype, but it's not that expensive for a hype shoe. So anyway, you guys, that's it for the video. Leave a comment down below what you think of the pickups. Shout out to my brother-in-law for throwing me the dunks to unbox them on the channel. If you're in the area, my brother-in-law is from Dunlap. He runs a little diner up there with my sister. Go try out their food, you guys. It's really good. Just, you know, recipes that have been passed down from my father and from, you know, for a long time now, from generations before. My dad taught, my dad, you know, he learned the trade from somebody else and passed it on to us. So yeah, my brother-in-law has been throwing me a lot of sneakers to show on the channel. So yeah, if you're in the Peoria or Dunlap area, you guys go check out my my sister and my brother-in-law's restaurant. It's called the Mayflower Family Restaurant. Breakfast and lunch, and I just wanted to shout them out real quick because he's been throwing me a lot of shoes and I haven't really mentioned him on the channel. So I feel like, you know, I had to do that for him. So not that I needed it because he stays steady busy, but yeah. Anyway, I appreciate you guys watching. I still have a shoe on the way that's, you know, for me, one of my most wanted Jordan 1s like ever. You know, I've had my eyes on them ever since I started the channel. Didn't know when I was gonna pull the trigger. I finally did, and they're on the way. They're actually being authenticated with StockX right now, and they'll be here soon. So can't wait to show you guys those shoes. I really appreciate you guys tuning in. I'll see you in the next video, and I also have another giveaway coming really soon. So I'll see you guys next time. Peace.